Rationalize the denominator. Here we have the square root of 2 over 3x with the statement that x cannot be equal to 0, because if it were, we would have a 0 denominator, which would make this undefined. Now, to rationalize the denominator, we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator of this radical expression by the square root of 3x. I think I'll go ahead and take a step and separate our numerator and denominator values, writing this as the square root of 2 over the square root of 3x. Now, multiplying the numerator and denominator by the square root of 3x gives in the numerator the square root of 6x. In the denominator, the square root of 3x times itself yields 3x. And let's remember that restriction that x in the denominator, our x value cannot take on 0 to prevent this expression from being undefined.